Do you remember the last time a piece of clothing made you feel completely confident? That magical garment that seemed tailored not just to your body, but to your personality. For me, it was the silk blouse I created from last year's Burda edition, until I saw what they've done with the May 2025 collection. Today, I'm sharing my top 4 picks from this anniversary edition, with a special focus on the technical aspects that make these designs so revolutionary. These patterns offer something truly special for women who appreciate sophisticated style. Number 4. The timeless silhouettes of Burda's 75th anniversary edition. What if I told you that Burda's 75th anniversary collection isn't just celebrating their past, but redefining your future wardrobe? The May 2025 edition marks a significant milestone for Burda style, blending heritage designs with modern sensibilities in ways that few publications have achieved. While many fashion magazines promise timeless pieces, most deliver trends that quickly feel dated, leaving women, especially those over 50, feeling disconnected from contemporary style. This anniversary edition breaks that pattern. At the heart of this collection are 3 foundational silhouettes that truly stand the test of time. The reimagined A-line skirt takes a classic shape, but incorporates strategic seam placements that create a more flattering line for mature figures. The structured blazer features innovative dart positioning that accommodates the subtle body changes that come with age without sacrificing sophistication. And the flowing palazzo pants offer both comfort and elegance through careful attention to proportion. What makes these pieces truly special is visible in the technical drawings. Unlike typical pattern illustrations, these detailed renderings reveal construction secrets that are essential to their exceptional fit. You'll see precisely how the dart placements on the blazer create structure while allowing movement, and how the seaming on the A-line skirt creates a silhouette that's both classic and contemporary. These designs don't just look good on paper, they're engineered for real bodies. The technical drawings showcase how Burda has studied the needs of women over 50, incorporating subtle accommodations for different body types while maintaining clean, elegant lines. These aren't compromised designs, they're enhanced ones that respect the beauty of mature figures. The genius of these 3 core pieces lies in their adaptability. The A-line skirt transforms completely depending on your fabric choice. In structured wool, it becomes a professional staple, while in flowing silk, it's ready for more casual settings. The blazer works equally well in traditional tweed for a heritage look or in modern stretch fabrics for comfort without sacrificing style. The palazzo pants can transition through seasons, from lightweight linen for summer to substantial crepe for cooler months. These foundational pieces are just the beginning. They establish a versatile base upon which the rest of the anniversary collection builds, setting the stage for more complex and personalised elements to come. Each garment works in harmony with the others, creating countless outfit possibilities that reflect individual style, while offering both comfort and elegance. Number 3. 5 must-make patterns that will transform your wardrobe. Beyond the core collection lies a carefully curated selection of 5 patterns that multiply your outfit possibilities exponentially. Looking at technical drawings reveals something fascinating about how professional stylists create dozens of looks from surprisingly few pieces. The secret isn't quantity, but architectural design, a principle clearly visible in these 5 must-make patterns from the anniversary issue. The May 2025 Burda edition features over 50 patterns, but 5 particular designs stand apart as true wardrobe game changers. Unlike typical pattern collections that offer basic pieces without consideration for real-life versatility, these 5 patterns specifically address the needs of women balancing established careers and active social calendars. Pattern number 1, 05, introduces a convertible blouse with 3 distinct neckline variations. The technical drawings reveal ingenious construction, allowing transformation between a sophisticated boat neck, a flattering V-neck, and a feminine sweetheart option, all from a single pattern. Notice the extended size range and thoughtfully placed darts that create a tailored silhouette, regardless of which neckline you choose. For those seeking the perfect pair of trousers, pattern number 118 delivers tailored elegance with a practical twist. The technical drawings highlight an innovative waistband construction with hidden comfort panels. These panels provide flexibility without sacrificing the clean, professional line essential for business settings. The drawings clearly indicate precise seam placements that create a streamlined profile while accommodating natural body contours. Pattern number 1 at 2-3 presents a reversible jacket with architectural details that elevate any outfit. The technical drawings expose the specialised construction techniques, making this dual functionality possible. Note how the pattern includes clever, internal finishing methods that eliminate visible seams on either side, essentially giving you two completely different jackets depending on which way you wear it. For effortless day-to-evening transitions, pattern number 131 offers a dress with remarkably clever seaming. The technical drawings demonstrate strategically placed darts and panels that create a subtly slimming effect. These precision-engineered lines work with your body's natural shape rather than against it, proving that technical skill in pattern construction yields both beauty and function. Finally, pattern number 142 features a statement sleeve blouse that transforms basic outfits into memorable ensembles. The technical drawings showcase an unexpected construction method where the dramatic sleeve element integrates seamlessly into the bodice. This advanced technique prevents the common problem of sleeves weighing down and distorting the garment's shape over time. Together, these 5 patterns form a capsule collection, offering more than 15 outfit combinations. Each design incorporates technical precision specifically engineered to flatter and function for women who value both style and practicality. The technical drawings provide the roadmap to success, removing guesswork and ensuring professional results. Number 2. The revolutionary pattern designed for non-standard sizing. Technical drawings may provide a roadmap for most sewists, but for millions of women, that map leads to a frustrating journey of complex alterations and disappointing results. The May 2025 edition introduces pattern number 127, a quiet revolution that fundamentally changes what's possible for those whose measurements have never aligned with standardized sizing charts. Pattern number 127 represents the first time in Burda's 75-year history that they've created a pattern system built around body diversity rather than merely scaling standard proportions. The innovation begins with their groundbreaking multi-size chart system. Unlike traditional patterns that simply grade up or down from a sample size, this chart acknowledges that women's bodies possess natural variations in proportion, a feature to be celebrated rather than corrected. When you open the technical drawings for pattern number 127, you'll immediately notice something different. Clearly marked adjustment lines are built directly into the pattern itself. These aren't afterthoughts or apologetic modifications. They're integral design elements positioned precisely where women most commonly need customization. The full bust adjustment lines, for instance, maintain the garment's intended drape rather than distorting it. Similarly, accommodation for rounded shoulders preserves the elegant line across the upper back without compromising style. Perhaps most revolutionary is how pattern number 127 addresses the reality of varied hip-to-waist ratios. The technical drawings reveal thoughtfully engineered panels that can be selected based on your actual proportions, not an idealised version that rarely exists outside of pattern books. This means no more choosing a size based on your largest measurement and then performing complex alterations to fit the rest of your body. Accompanying this groundbreaking pattern is a comprehensive measurement guide unlike any Burda has produced before. Instead of the usual basic measurements, this guide walks you through identifying your body's unique characteristics and selecting from 3 distinct body type options as your starting point. The instructions use clear, respectful language that acknowledges the beauty in all body shapes. What truly sets pattern number 127 apart is its inclusion of alternative pattern pieces for different body features. Rather than expecting you to modify a single pattern to accommodate your shape, Burda provides multiple pre-drafted options. Need a different sleeve cap for fuller arms? It's included. Require a adjusted back piece for a dowager's hump? That's there too. These aren't labelled as fixes, but as natural variations deserving of thoughtful design. To complement this revolutionary pattern, Burda has developed an online companion tool that allows you to visualise how the garment will look on different body types. Upload your measurements, and the sophisticated algorithm generates a realistic preview of the finished garment on a body similar to yours. This eliminates the guesswork and disappointment that has plagued sewists for decades. Number 1. Styling tips that enhance natural elegance after 50. While the visualization tool unlocks new possibilities for fit, Burda's May 2025 edition breaks ground in another crucial dimension: the psychology of style after 50. For the first time, this anniversary issue dedicates a substantial section to celebrating, not merely accommodating, the beauty that comes with maturity. Have you noticed how French women are often described as becoming more magnetic with age, while American fashion messaging typically suggests a desperate battle against time? The styling guide in this edition directly confronts this paradox with refreshing candour. We reject the notion that elegance diminishes with age, writes Burda's editor-in-chief. Instead, we recognise that it transforms and, when embraced authentically, becomes more powerful. The first styling principle introduces what Burda calls proportion harmony, a revolutionary approach that abandons the practice of recreating silhouettes from your youth. Instead, the guide demonstrates how to work with your current proportions to create visual balance. For example, the technical drawings show how slightly raising a waistline by just 1.5 inches creates a more graceful line for women whose waist-to-hip ratio has changed. Rather than hiding behind shapeless garments, the illustrations demonstrate how strategic structure creates natural elegance. The second principle focuses on strategic colour placement with an innovative face-framing technique. The guide includes a remarkable colour wheel developed specifically for mature skin tones, identifying which hues bring luminosity to different complexions. Technical drawings indicate optimal placement zones where vibrant colours create energy and draw attention exactly where desired. One particularly brilliant illustration shows how the same garment in different colourways dramatically changes where the eye travels. The third principle introduces sophisticated texture mixing, an art form rarely addressed in mainstream fashion media. The guide demonstrates how combining different textural elements adds dimension that flat colour alone cannot achieve. One stunning example pairs a matte wool jacket with a lustrous silk scarf and subtly textured linen trousers, creating a rich visual experience without overwhelming pattern or colour. What truly sets this styling section apart are the technical drawings that include multiple styling variations for each garment. Pattern number 142, for instance, includes annotations showing how changing the sleeve gathering tension creates 3 distinct silhouettes from the same pattern. Similarly, pattern number 105's adaptable necklines are shown styled in completely different contexts, from boardroom authority to artistic expression. Perhaps most revolutionary is how the magazine pairs unexpected garments to create distinctive looks that feel simultaneously current and timeless. One particularly inspiring combination shows the structured blazer from pattern number 12, 3-worn, with the flowing palazzo pants and a simple jersey knit top, a combination that defies conventional styling rules while creating an undeniably sophisticated silhouette. As we conclude our tour of this remarkable anniversary edition, remember that Burda style isn't just offering patterns, it's providing a pathway to authentic self-expression through thoughtfully designed garments that celebrate who you are today. To help you organise your creative journey, we've created a special 75th anniversary calendar, PDF, completely free to download. It will help you plan your sewing projects and ensure you never miss a Burda release. Most importantly, I invite you to become part of our community. Share your Burda creations in the comments section below. Inspire others and connect with fellow sewing enthusiasts who share your passion. Which pattern will you make first?